At Avery Dennison, we offer a vast array of solutions. From sheeting, films, and overlays, to printers and inks. Sometimes things go wrong, or you just need a little help. Avery Dennison Technical Service is here to tackle whatever issue you may face. Whether it's on-site or remote for installation, training, or support, we are here to help. Uniquely positioned across the globe, our technical service team can respond quickly. Call us, text us, or send us an email. Using cutting-edge tools and software, we can often diagnose and fix issues remotely with same-day service. Our remote access abilities make software setup a breeze. Augmented reality applications allow us to draw in your own workspace and guide repairs or maintenance. A library of online support material makes self-learning simple. Avery Dennison has experts in every step of the sign-making process available to help. Whether it's sheetings, films, overlays, printers, or inks, we proudly stand by our solutions and strive for your success.